Let's talk about the latest launched OnePlus smartphone 13 with new deco design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with BOE2K8TLTPOX2 AMOLED Micro Quad Curved Display, 6.82 inches Quad HD, plus punch hole display, resolution of 1440 by 3168 pixels, approximately 93.1% screen to body ratio, approximately 510 ppi pixel density, 4500 nits peak brightness, Dolby Vision and HDR10. Plus color quality support, 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, and with crystal shield ultra ceramic glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone, the smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 23mm Sony LYT-808 sensor main camera with aperture 1.6 and support optical image stabilization, along with 50 megapixel 73mm Sony LYT-600 sensor 3x optical zoom periscope telephoto camera with aperture 2.6 and support optical image stabilization, and with 50 megapixel 15mm Samsung S5 KJN1 sensor ultra-wide angle camera with aperture 2.0 and dual LED flash with Hasselblad color calibration. For selfies it has 32 megapixel 21mm Sony IMX615 sensor centered punch hole front-facing camera with aperture 2.4. Video recording maximum 8K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 4K at 30, 60 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Color OS 15 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 4.32 GHz. Dual-core Orion V2 Phoenix L plus 3.53 GHz hexa-core Orion V2 Phoenix M, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, 3nm chipset, paired with Adreno 830 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs, with 12GB, 16GB, 24GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256GB, 512GB, 1TB of UFS 4.0. Onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.9 by 76.5 by 8.5, or 8.9 millimeters, and it weighs around 210, or 213 grams, and the color options: black, white, blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 100-watt, wired super flash fast charging, 50-watt, wireless flash fast charging, 10-watt, reverse wireless charging, 5-watt, wired reverse charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features ultrasonic under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, tri-band Wi-Fi 7 support, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS L1 plus L5, USB Type-C headphone jack, with superlinear dual stereo speakers support, 4 microphones AI noise reduction support, USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 1 charging port, infrared remote control support, IP68, IP69 dust and water resistant, AI features like Super Xiaobu Assistant, AI voice, AI photo editing, AI elimination, AI smear removal, and with multifunctional NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The OnePlus 13 has been priced in China for 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 4,499 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage variant at 4,899 Chinese yuan, while the 16GB plus 512GB storage variant at 5,299 Chinese yuan, while the 24GB plus 1TB storage variant at 5,999 Chinese yuan. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this OnePlus 13 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.